Everybody, this is Brian back with a Algorand update. Wanted to go over this chart today. Things are looking pretty interesting, but I like to have a little bit of news before we go over charts. And anybody that's familiar with the channel, I like to throw a little bit of something in there so you can keep up with what's going on with your investments. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. I do have to say that, but what we have here is price predictions for 2025 through 2030. This is more like a question, more losses for algo ahead. We're going to zoom down through here. If you want to read the article, the whole thing, you can go AMB Crypto, and they have the whole article here. It's a long article, but everybody's here for the price predictions that they have put out. So let's get down here, and I will show you them. For 2025, according to Changely, the lowest algo price in 2025 will be $1.61, while the highest will be $1.90. The cost of trading will typically be around an average of $1.67, it claimed. And the next estimate is algo will go as high as $10.34 by 2025, with its lowest price that year being $7.98. And that is from Telegon. It says even if there are 10 billion algo coins in circulation altogether, these assumptions appear excessive. To make Algorand more scalable, the issuance of these tokens has been spread out across 10 years with an end date of 2030. So there's some we got some more down here to go over, but Algorand, we've had problems, that's for sure, the last few weeks with this wallet hack and everything, but we'll see if we can bounce back from that. You got to have a strong community, and you got to have people that hold on to their tokens and believe in the vision of the company, so it says down here 2030 is too far off. That may be the reason why most are laying off from making predictions about algo just yet. Even so, it's worth looking at where the cryptocurrency and the network is at the moment. A look at the series of investments and projects Algorand has been able to take under its wing should be evidence of that. In the first quarter of 2022 alone, Algorand received investments from Genesis Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Borderless Capital, Parify Capital, the Algorand Foundation, OKEX, Blockstream Ventures, and Jump Crypto. With more of these updates lined up going forward, one can only imagine what its impact will be on the wider ecosystem and algo's value. So that's good news there. Boy, they got Coinbase behind them. Got a lot of Genesis Capital. Big names there in the crypto industry, that's for sure. So, like I said, you can go and read this full article if you're interested in it. But let's get to the charts here. And please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do a giveaway at the end of every month, the last day of the month. This month I'm going to give away 100 ADA coins. Next month I'm thinking maybe 100 XRP, but I just want to give something back to you guys for the support. So all you got to do is hit the subscribe button and you're entered. This is Algorand on the weekly chart. We're going to zoom in on the daily here. Let's pull this up here. Oop, I apologize. There we go. Okay, we've had this down sloping resistance, and what's going on today, I want to show you this Fibonacci on this thing because we've had quite a pullback here. It's pulled back past the 786. Right now it's jumped right back up on it here on the Fibonacci retracement. This gives you an idea of where, if you're not familiar with Fibonacci, this gives us traders an idea where a coin usually will bounce, or if it falls through the 786, we're probably coming back down to the 16-cent zone. But the RSI on the daily down here is reset, so that's very good news. We needed that. If that RSI was at the top, that wouldn't be very good. So we got the RSI reset down there, and it looks like we got a little pop here today. I'm going to zoom in here on the hourly and show you that, because now we're coming right up and fighting that resistance line that I was just showing you. We've been fighting for a while, so we're right up against it right now. Hopefully it can pop through here on the hourly. The RSI is extended here some, so I'll keep an eye on this chart the rest of the day. Things on the daily level look like we might get a bounce here. We got to get some kind of bounce. You know, these things don't go straight down forever. There's too many people out there leverage trading and everything else. You know, that it's going to go up or it's going to go down, and the markets will definitely trick you. You know, when you think it's going down, it'll go up. You know, so all these things can do, these Fibonacci's and support and resistance lines, you know, they can only give us an idea of what's going to happen. And but yeah, right now I think things look all right. I expect a little bit of a pop out of here. Usually this could be an ABC correction forming out. If we get a pop, you know, it could come up to the 702 at the 25 cent and then head back down here and test this as support. We could actually see that happening right now. That's happening on a couple other coins, so we'll see if we can break this resistance first. I will check back in tomorrow on this and we'll see what happens. So I hope everybody has a fantastic night. Well, I'll show you Bitcoin real quick because Bitcoin's got a bounce here. You know, it's up 3.77% today, so it came down here and found nice support. It's actually broke this down sloping resistance. Yeah, look, it's retested it. I've said that I don't know how many times about a coin will break out like that and it'll retest the resistance as support now, and it's done a retest. Broke out, retested it. This is the hourly chart. Each one of these candles represents 1 hour. So if we zoom in, you can see 1, 2, 3 hours there. It back tested it. Now it has support on this line. Now it has to go up and get past that resistance up there. We'll put this back on the daily so you can see here. And I apologize. Let me get rid of that arrow. I'll just delete that thing. Oops. There we go. Yeah, you can see that big green candle for the daily. The other nice thing is the RSI is reset on Bitcoin too. So looks like we're going to get a pop out of the crypto market here. Like I said, I'll check back in tomorrow. Please subscribe to the channel, and I hope you all have a very, very wonderful day. Thank you for watching my video.